There are so many causes of the menace of snoring, and all of them have to do more with your body function and system than anything else. The body system cause may be out of your mouth anatomy, nasal congestion in the chronic levels, or nasal septum that has deviated. Whatever the known or unknown cause, it is important to begin with home remedies to stop snoring way before surgery is resorted to. If you want more advice on how to stop snoring, please subscribe my channel. More lookbook videos are coming very soon. If you seriously want to know how to stop snoring and avoid sleep apnea, then please click the link in the description below. Home remedies to help stop snoring. Reduce weight. This is a helpful home remedy tip on how to stop snoring, but it needs a loving way to broach the issue without giving the impression that you don't like your friend's weight. The best way is to, probably, show him or her this article so that the person may read it for himself. The problem with more weight is it constricts the passages of air through your body system, thus causing a heightened pressure via the throat, causing the snoring noise. Exercises and measured healthy diet may be the common healthy weight reduction options available for you. Keep off sedatives and alcohol. How to stop snoring will include keeping off alcohol, especially 4 hours before the hour of sleep. The other bit involves the use of sedatives and/or hypnosis agents, which are central nervous system depressants. This basically means that your muscles will be forced to relax and your throat will be forced to bear the full brunt of that relaxation by snoring. Change sleeping position to sideways. The problem with sleeping on your back is that your tongue rests on the airflow passageway, thus obstructing the flow of air and bringing about the snoring. How to stop snoring is to lie sideways so that the passageway is free to pass through sufficient air out of your system. Raise the head of bed. This will help you raise the level of your head while sleeping to make the effort of sleeping simpler and easier. Acquiring a pillow may also help you raise your head at least 4 inches higher to avoid congestion of your body system and keep up the breathing. Treat nasal congestion. Common cold may constrict the flow of air via the nasal passageway, and getting a drug like saline nose drops may help you to fully answer the question, how to stop snoring. Click the link in the description below. If you like the video, then give the thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more information. I love you as I love myself. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.